Look at the artwork for a few seconds. Don't analyse it, just allow it to be. And now, before we start the meditation, you have the choice of closing your eyes or continuing to look at the artwork and using it as a meditational tool. Sit or lie with your back straight, your hands loose by your side or on your lap, and also make sure that your legs are not crossed or your feet. As you breathe in and breathe out, your body starts to relax. 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 Breathing in pink energy, rising up from the ground into your feet. This pink energy flows through your legs, flows up your torso, into your shoulders and down your arms, into your fingertips. It flows up your neck and into your head, filling your head and your entire body with its warmth and glow. Breathing in and out. Breathing in. A golden orb appears above your head. A golden orb of white, shimmering light. Allow your crown chakra to open and the orb to descend into your head, filling your head down to the cellular level with its glowing white light. And it pours down your neck, into your shoulders, into your arms, hands, and down to the fingertips, flowing down your torso, flowing into your legs, through your feet, toes, and out the bottom of your feet into the earth. Pink and white blend through your body. And now this white golden light pours out of the top of your head and flows all over your body, cocooning you in a shell. You are in a field of pink flowers, different shades of pink. You are lying in the flowers or seated in the flowers, and they caress your body. The warmth of the sun warms your body. Take your hands and wriggle your fingers. Move your hands through the flowers and allow the colour of pink to flow through your fingers and flow through your hands. Feel the weight of your fingers and your hands and their importance, what they allow you to do, how they allow you to express, to create, to hold. The flowers now stroke your arms. The pink of the flowers flows through your arms, and as it flows through your arms, you notice how important your arms are to you, how they allow you to embrace, to hold, to stretch. Wiggle your toes, move your feet. Feel the pink petals stroke your feet and your toes, and the pink tones slowly move into your feet and your toes. And as the pink moves into your feet, you recognize how important your feet are, allowing you to walk, to stand, to dance. And the pink petals brush against your legs, and the pink tones flow through your legs. You feel the warmth of the recognition of how important your legs are, allowing you to dance, to walk, supporting your body on its journey in life. The pink petals rush against your lower torso and your back, roll around amongst the flowers, allowing them to softly caress your body, and feel the pink colours flow through your torso, flowing through your internal organs, flowing through your muscles, flowing through your skin. Your torso contains, protects all your vital organs, absorbing air, food, processing, creating cells, flowing blood. Feel the pink energy moving through all your torso, and recognize how important it is to your life, keeping you alive, allowing you to live. Rest your head amongst the flowers. The petals fall against your face. They lie within your hair. They touch your eyelids. Their pink energy moves through your head and your neck, through your eyes that allow you to see, your ears that allow you to hear, your nose that allows you to breathe and to smell, your mouth, your tongue, the energy flows through your brain that allows you to think. And now you are enfolded by this pink energy that flows throughout your entire body and surrounds you. Feel the love of yourself, of your physicality, in every single cell of your body. Feel that love flowing into your heart center, filling your heart center, filling it so much that it overflows and flows out into the universe, sending that love out into the universe. as you start to feel yourself returning to this reality, you have a new sense of who you are, a new sense of your physical body and how important it is to you in this gift of your life on earth, here and now. The flowers fade away. Sensations of where you are, the room that you are in, your location, come back to you. You feel your toes, you feel your fingers, your arms and your legs. You return to the consciousness of this reality. And as I count down from 5 to 0, you will be fully present. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Open your eyes and feel roots moving from down the bottom of your feet into the earth, grounding you